It permits individuals to trade cryptos over various blockchains. Yet what is Sushiswap? We should find out what we can learn about Sushi and investigate a portion of the Sushiswap cost expectations that were being made starting around the 19th of October 2022 as well. Sushiswap made sense of among the developing number of decentralized finance administrations sent off throughout the course of recent years. Sushiswap permits clients to straightforwardly exchange cryptographic forms of money. The product basically runs on the Ethereum blockchain, despite the fact that it likewise works on other viable chains, including Binance Savvy Chain, Phantom, and XDAI. It added help for Polygon in May 2021. Sushiswap empowers clients to trade, procure, loan, and get tokens, stack yields, and influence reserves. The decentralized trade makes mechanized liquidity pools that permit clients to trade any digital currency token in light of the ERC20 Ethereum convention for another ERC20 token. Each blockchain-based network needs its own local token, and Sushiswap has Sushiswap, otherwise called Sushi. Individuals can procure Sushi by marking their different crypto resources in liquidity pools, and holders can decide on recommendations concerning the eventual fate of the organization. Since it depends on Ethereum, Sushiswap is a token as opposed to a coin. You could see references to such things as a Sushiswap coin cost forecast, yet these are off base. The food-themed Sushiswap biological system was sent off by mysterious Prime supporters known as culinary expert Nomi, Sushiswap, and 0xMaki. The point was to make contest for Uniswap and send off extra elements, like higher prizes, with Sushi tokens. Sushiswap sent off in August 2020 as a dubious hard fork, or split, from the Uniswap mechanized market creator that depleted its liquidity. Toward the beginning of September 2020, culinary specialist Nomi pulled out $14 in Ether, an exceptionally reprimanded move that brought about the mysterious Prime supporter leaving the venture and moving control of Sushiswap to Sam Bankman-Broiled, fellow benefactor of the FTX digital currency trade and cryptographic money exchanging organization Alameda Exploration. Gourmet specialist Nomi then returned the $14 worth of ETH to the venture's designer reserve. 0xMaki keeps on driving the venture, with Joseph DeLong as boss innovation official. In a progression of tweets, Gourmet expert Nomi said, "I will keep on taking part in the conversation and specialized execution of Sushiswap behind the scenes. Yet, won't have any control, won't take any spotlight, won't be essential for the administration." In September 2021, 0xMaki reported they were getting away from everyday tasks into a warning job to assist with cultivating the up-and-coming age of groups expanding on top of Sushi, supporting from the sideline, and aiding without connection the more extensive DeFi environment, paying little heed to where they are sent. On the 5th of December 2021, Sushiswap answered a progression of charges spread the word about by a previous representative as AG in November, including that the senior administration of the association was bombing its local area through struggle under the surface. On the 25th of January 2022, it declared it had joined the decentralized crypto local area Frog Country. As per Daniel Sesta of Frog Country, the move is expected to assist with making Sushiswap the most utilized DEX and taking the group and local area SOL back to what Sushi recently was. On the 27th of January 2022, Sushiswap tweeted that it was mindful of claims relating to the bigger environment and said it was assessing what is going on. Honestly, Sushi keeps on being free to drive forward the objectives of the convention. People being referred to have no admittance to functional, depository wallets, the tweet proceeded. In April, the crypto reported a rebuilding plan in the wake of losing key staff and a bombed organization with crypto aggregate Frog Country. The rebuilding plan to hold ability across the whole practical range, lay out a proper pay panel to act as a really look at in straightforwardness and responsibility for every monetary matter, and quest for another chief and authority. Sushiswap charges an exchanging expense for exchanges that increment the worth of the Sushi token, permitting holders to create a gain. Assuming exchanging request on the AMM rises, the Sushi cost will rise. All in all, how can it work? Liquidity suppliers are compensated with Sushiswap liquidity supplier tokens for marking their tokens in liquidity pools. They can stake SLPs in the ranch and acquire interest. Trade clients pay a 0.3% exchanging expense, of which 0.25% is added to the liquidity pool balance, so that when liquidity suppliers pull out their tokens, they are worth more than when they were kept. The leftover 0.05% is added to a Sushi bar pool, to be split between Sushi holders when they pull out their Sushi tokens. Bento Box permits clients to store assets for loaning in return for a charge. Kashi, a market based on Bento Box, permits borrowers to store insurance to get a token for gas charges or glimmer loaning. The leftover designers are carrying out a few new elements. Toward the beginning of November 2021, The Shoyu NFT Commercial Center sent off with a 10-week V0 stage, including organized non-fungible token drops to pressure test the framework. Sushiswap cost expectation. With that all said and done, we should investigate a portion of the Sushiswap cost expectations that were being made starting around the 19th of October 2022. It is crucial to recall that cost figures, particularly for something as possibly unstable as digital currency, frequently turn out to be off base. Additionally, some long-haul crypto value forecasts are made utilizing a calculation, and that implies they can change whenever. At the hour of composing, momentary feeling on the token was impartial as per, which showed 18 specialized examination pointers giving bullish signs contrasted and 10 negative signs. A stage's transient Sushiswap cost expectation for 2022 recommended the cost could hit $1.66 by the 24th of October 2022, yet tumble to 58 cents by the 18th of November. Another calculation-based forecaster made a Sushi cost expectation that recommended the token could average $1.58 in 2022. The site's Sushiswap cost expectation for 2025 said the token could ascend to a normal of $3.98 in 2025, preceding moving to $8.35 in 2030. Made a Sushiswap cost forecast that assessed the Sushi cost could accomplish a normal of $1.60 in 2022 and $5.30 by 2025. The site then, at that point, made a Sushiswap cost expectation for 2030 that said the token could average $35.68 that year. At last, was undeniably more negative when it came to making a Sushiswap crypto cost forecast. It proposed the token could fall in the following a year to a simple 6 cents. While considering a Sushi token cost expectation, it's essential to remember that digital currency markets remain very unpredictable, making it challenging to precisely foresee what a coin or token's cost will be in a couple of hours, and, surprisingly, harder to give long-haul gauges. Accordingly, investigators and calculation-based forecasters can and do misunderstand their expectations. Assuming you are thinking about putting resources into digital money tokens, we suggest that you generally do your own exploration. Take a gander at the most recent market patterns, news, specialized and crucial investigation, and well-qualified assessment prior to settling on any speculation choice. Remember that previous exhibition is no assurance of future returns, and never exchange with cash that you can't stand to lose. Sushiswap cost history. We should now investigate a portion of the Sushi cost history. While past execution ought to never be taken as a sign of future outcomes, understanding what the token has done in the past can help us by giving us some setting for when we need to either decipher a Sushiswap cost expectation or, more than likely, make one of our own. As we can see from the above cost diagram, the Sushi digital money value rose to $13.10 on the 1st of November 2021, as it moved higher from the plunge across the digital currency markets in late September that brought the value down to $8.50. It then, at that point, declined, dropping by 49% to $6.70 on the 28th of November 2021. At around $5.20 on the